Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Hostinger VPS Hosting with an extra 20% discount. If you are planning to host websites, run applications, create a game server, or use a VPS for any professional project, this special discount link can help you save even more money. First, check the video description or the first comment section. You will find a special Hostinger discount link there. This is important because the extra discount will only be applied when you visit Hostinger through that link. Now, click the discount link and you will be redirected to the Hostinger website. Once the website opens, go to the VPS Hosting section. Here, you will see multiple plans. Choose the plan that best fits your requirements and budget. If you're a beginner, you can start with an entry-level plan and upgrade later whenever you need more resources. After selecting your VPS plan, click on Choose Plan or Add to Cart. Next, Hostinger will ask you to select a billing period. Usually, longer plans provide better discounts. Choose the billing cycle that works best for you. Now, create a new Hostinger account or log in if you already have one. On the checkout page, carefully review your order details. You should see the discount from the special link already applied. In many cases, the discount is automatically activated through the referral link. Before making the payment, double-check the final price to ensure you are receiving the maximum available discount. After that, choose your preferred payment method. Hostinger supports various payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and several local payment methods, depending on your country. Complete the payment process and wait for the confirmation message. Once your payment is successful, your VPS hosting account will be activated automatically. You can then access your Hostinger dashboard, configure your VPS server, install your preferred operating system, and start using your hosting immediately. So, if you want to save money on your VPS purchase, don't forget to use the special discount link available in the video description and the first comment section. That's the easiest way to get the extra 20% discount and reduce your hosting costs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the discount link before placing your order. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.